Hello and hi everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about 5 tongue twisters. So now, let's take a look at another 5 tongue twisters for all of you. Before we begin, let's recap what are tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are phrases which have similar sounding words in a repetitive sequence. So let's take a look at the 5 tongue twisters that we have chosen for all of you. Number 1. I saw a saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw. I saw a saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw. Number 2. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Number 3. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. Number 4. A big bug bit the little beetle, but the little beetle bit the big bug back. A big bug bit the little beetle, but the little beetle bit the big bug back. And finally, number 5. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? So that's all 5 tongue twisters for all of you. See you in the next video.